In a few months, my wife and I will be flying to Iceland for 2 weeks of heavy exploration. This new passport collection will be what I put to the test every day while uncovering this Arctic island. But if you're not going to be hopping country to country, plane to plane this summer, is this new passport collection from Proof on the Huckberry site worth $474? Well, I think so, and here's why. Whether you're buying one item or the whole line, the field jacket from Proof really is the perfect mid-weather piece for transitioning seasons. The Proof Passport field jacket is cut with a tailor fit that complements a 1/3 ratio. With this jacket, you will feel the perfect coverage while standing because it has the cut of a nicer, dressier jacket and using that 1/3 ratio so that when you sit down, it's not gonna choke you. The Passport field jacket features a durable, weather-resistant, quilted outer shell, a stowable hood to tackle whatever the weather brings, snap buttons coupled with a dual pull zipper, side pockets with top snap buttons, a hidden pocket under the front snap, and adjustable ribbed sleeve cuffs. This jacket would make a truly versatile jacket that could be worn in a vast array of situations. I really think if you want to elevate your style and steer away from wearing those super overworn puffer coats and have a more sophisticated yet a rugged look, the Passport field coat is 100% going to be worth the $250 price tag on this jacket. It's kind of a no-brainer. Now, if you have the jacket, you may as well get the pants too, right? I was so excited to get these in, and as soon as I opened them, I put them on, and I literally have not taken them off, and chances are I'm gonna overwear these and probably not take them off until the Iceland trip is completely over. They're so soft and have a perfect plain day fit. Not too tight and not too loose. With the perfect slim fit, you don't necessarily feel like you're wearing chino style pants, but they're also not too baggy or heavy that you feel like you're wearing department store hiking pants. The Passport travel pants engineered fabric is ultra durable. It breathes to keep your temperature controlled and stretches like crazy without losing their shape. The pants feature side mesh pockets, additional zippered side thigh pockets, an additional hidden stash pocket, a drawstring for all the stroopwafels you're eating on your flight, and a weather-resistant coating to once again handle any weather. If you've ever struggled to find pants that fit I'm a world traveler, I love the outdoors, but I live in the city and occasionally I like to get a nice espresso vibe, I think these are unequivocally it. Okay, really this time. If you've bought the pants and you've bought the jacket, why not go ahead and just buy the shirt too? I mean, go full explorer mode. For me, that was and is still my dream, to hop off a plane and explore a hidden remote jungle by houseboat for months at a time, or to navigate my way around a volcanic created island like Iceland. That is the dream. And when you look at explorers, especially explorers of old and young animated wilderness explorers, they're all wearing button-ups just like this Passport shirt. This is truly a premium shirt that is extremely durable, breathes so you aren't the bad smelling explorer in the middle seat. You also get dual chest zipper pockets with tie zipper pulls for the TSA agent to sensually caress. Seriously, where are they finding these people? And once again, a weather-resistant coating in case your jacket wasn't enough. Now, this may be a hard pill for some people to swallow, but this particular shirt is $118. However, if you're an EDC guy, you know the value of a shirt that doesn't imprint. Even if you're not an EDC guy, this shirt is far better in material and fit and value than anything that you're going to be picking up from any outdoor department store. But still, I know $474 is a lot of money for an outfit that doesn't include the boots. But I'm not telling you to buy the full set. Okay, I am telling you that, but I'm not. If you can't afford to buy the set, then don't go broke buying clothes. That's just dumb. You could totally piece this together item by item. And if I were going to go that way, I would buy them in this order. First, I would buy the jacket. Seriously, you won't regret this jacket. Second, I would pick up the pants because they are just perfect, all around, great pants to have. And last, I would grab the shirt just before fall hits. Now, I don't want to confuse people. I'm not rating these pieces as first, second, and third. I'm just trying to plan my outfits around the seasons. Right now, the jacket is perfect for that transitioning season from winter to spring and those cool spring, early summer nights. The pants are going to be great to have for any time. They're great for hiking, especially with how lightweight they are. You could wear them in the summer, but they're also durable enough that I'm going to be wearing these in the winter on all of my winter snow hikes. Now the shirt is a little bit more heavy. I wouldn't wear this in the spring or the summer, but this would be a great fall and winter shirt. So that's a little bit about how I think when I plan out buying full outfits. Now, if you're planning to buy any of these pieces, I would greatly appreciate it if you use one of my links below. They are affiliate links, so I do get a commission at no additional cost to you. And if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more high quality products from Huckberry as we move into the spring season, check out this video.